What's up, guys? I know it's been a while, but I'm back. Well, at least for now. So, it's been a couple of things that's changed since I last uploaded. I actually managed to get a poster from Steve Saleen himself, and he also signed it. He also signed my racing license, too. Yeah, well, a bunch of good things happened in the last month since I last uploaded. Well, we got the Civic, of course, and that's been pretty well. But I've been doing some stuff to the Miata, and we're actually going to finish it a little bit. Got these little cards right here because I actually went and deleted the damn, this thing needs to be washed. What the hell? I went and deleted the door cards right here to give me a lot more room. And what these things do, if I can find them, they pretty much just plug up these holes right here, and you'll pretty much just keep the door card from falling like the way you saw it doing before. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. I'm going to tell you about all the things that's happened over the last month. All right, we're back in the living room because I really wanted to show you guys this too before I leave. I actually went and got me a head strap. I've actually got one of these cheaper, like, fake GoPros. I've had it for a while, but I never did anything with it, in all honesty. And I want to start shooting POV style videos. So I went ahead and just got my camera back working, and got my got some SD cards, and I got that set up right there too. Went ahead and got the Miata all cleaned up too, and I got those door card hole pluggers, whatever, I forgot the name of it, but I got those installed, and they look pretty decent. They have covers that go over them, but man, those things were hard as hell to take out. So I'm just going to leave them out in case I really do, in case I want to take this door card off. And I might actually replace this, actually, in all honesty. Might see if I can get a tan one. Maybe also get these seats taken care of. But man, that stuff's expensive. So, here's what's been happening lately. Work is going very good. I haven't had any problems with work lately. It turns out I lost 20 pounds last year, so that's good. I'm back under 300, so that's a good thing right there. The Miata's doing very well. It's hit 172,000 miles, so that's pretty good. And this might be the last year you guys see me over here. Yeah, I'm getting ready to move. I actually went and found these apartments in pretty much the area I've been wanting to move to for a very long time. And let me close this. And I've actually finally gotten enough money to actually move out. I've actually started making good enough money to move out and actually be able to afford the place. It's a place in one of the richer areas in Birmingham, and it's actually like, it starts at like $1,000 a month, and if you want an upgraded apartment, you know, like renovated with granite countertops and steel appliances, it's like $100 more. So I'm going to actually go over there. I'm hoping I can move by this August. I don't have to worry about any car restrictions over there either. They said that one guy over there has 4 cars. This one guy has 4 cars, so I can actually keep both of these. So my plan is to, before I want to go over there, I want to pay off this Civic. Well, not really pay it off, but get the payments down to at least about $200 a month. Because I'm going to go ahead and refinance it and then just pay it off whenever I got the money. So I'm going to be putting $1,000 a month towards this car every month starting next month, March. And while I'm doing that, it's going to be pretty much, as I do the $1,000 over on this car, it's going to be just like as if I was paying for the apartment while paying the full car payment of this one. So if I can actually manage to do that and still save up some good money, then I can definitely afford that place, no problem. So that's pretty much the plan. I'm planning on, my goal is to save up at least 12 grand while paying $1,000 for this car by August. And then by August, it's also a time when they say their apartments are pretty much at their cheapest. So that's another reason why I'm waiting towards August. Once I move, you guys are going to see a big video on that one, because it's really been something I've been working towards for a very long time, in all honesty. It's been one of my biggest goals to move over there, and I'm finally going to make it happen. It's crazy to think I actually made it this far. Pretty good deal. So my plans with this is I'm pretty much just going to leave it stock. Actually, I'm planning on trading it in once I fully pay it off. There's a couple of cars I'm thinking of. Top of the list is probably another Abarth. I really miss mine. I kind of regret trading it in for this car. As much as I like this car, that Abarth was just more fun. Though it is really nice to have a car where you can just get in and drive it and you don't have to worry about it at all. I really do like that. I'm also thinking about getting a Mini Cooper S. I'm getting all these cars from CarMax, so I'm going to buy it with a warranty, so I don't even have to worry about the unreliability. Another car I'm really thinking about too is a Fiesta ST. I pretty much just want a hot hatchback, a sub-compact hot hatchback, because really I just like the smaller cars, and this one's a little bit bigger than what I really like. I do like it. I really do enjoy this car, but it's just a little bit bigger than what I really like. I was also thinking about downsizing too and selling both of these cars and getting me a newer Miata or a Mustang. But none that's written in stone yet. I most likely will be going with an Abarth. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. The next videos I'm going to make are going to be, well, celebrating the 3 years I've actually had with this car. It's been 3 years now since I got in that Miata. And I'm also going to start shooting some POV videos now in my favorite areas around the state. So that's something to look forward to. Well, thanks for sitting around with me rambling about the things going on in my life. And hopefully I can see you guys next time. I know my upload schedule pretty much sucks, but this being Alabama, there ain't really nothing to do here. But I'll see y'all later.